Today I am going to show you how to make drop down list. Usually we are entering the different values like this: PCMB, Nexon, PCMB. Likewise, normally we are trying to enter the values. So instead of doing this, just go through the one easiest way is there. Just select the columns and go to data and data validation and select data validation and go to any values, select list and select the values which we need to enter, then click on OK. Then you can simply just click on the drop down list like this. Very simple way you can do it for many columns. Okay, this is how a small video about how to make drop down list. Thank you friends.